everyone. I'm going to show how to replace a register on a WST BYO with a new register. So I have here a 3-inch WST BYO with 100-liter pulse, and I'm going to put in a register with 10-liter pulse in it. The tools that are required are a hammer, a cutter, and a pin pusher. So the first step is to cut the seal off and to take it out. The seal, make sure that nobody interferes with it. The next step is to, there's a pin here like this that locks the whole mechanism in place. So you have to use a pin pusher or a nail or a small screwdriver and hammer it in. Next step is to screw the whole thing counterclockwise until it stops and lift it up, put it away. Next step is to remove the register. Now and then you remove the broken pin from inside. This part here is symmetrical. It has a hole here and a hole here. So basically, to put it in location, it locks into these things with a bayonet connection. You put it a bit before it and you turn it clockwise until it stops, and then it holds in place. Next step is to put in the register. Now the register, you can put it in various locations, but the right location is where, if this is the arrow, the flow direction, it points upwards like that. So that's the right location, and it kind of locks in that position. Next step is quite crucial. It depends where the magnet inside the register is. There are a few different locations, or 3 different locations, where this can align the 2 pieces together. There is an arrow here, and it can align either with this 1 dot here, like that, or align with the 2 dots here, like that, this arrow, or align with the 3 dots here, like that. So this is just to show you, but the location of this thing, there is a hole here, and it has to align with the hole here of the pin. So you put it a bit before the hole and you rotate it like this, and it locks in place. It's also a bayonet, yeah? So now you can put in the pin and lock it, and it can be done now at this stage. So you can push the pin in and hammer it in. Now, as I mentioned before, this is a crucial step, because once you snap it in location, you cannot separate this part from this part. Now the magnet is here, it is near the small dot here, and as I mentioned, this arrow should align with this dot here, because the magnet inside is on this dial. So I align it here, and then I have to press hard to snap it in place. This is a demo unit. I didn't have to press it hard, and I can separate it. But in reality, once you snapped in like that, you cannot separate the 2 units like it is here. I cannot separate them without breaking those lugs that snap in together. That's basically it. The next step, if you have a seal, you can reseal the unit, but this is how to change the register to a 10-liter pulse. Thank you very much for listening.